Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Danko. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the MTN 8, Sikukune 0, Cape Town City 1. I'm joined by fan, my brother Libito Kimango.
Daniel Semenya,
Daniel, when is one game?
No, it was fair. In a way, Sikukune, they lost concentration towards the end.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, it was a fair game. It was just equal 50-50.
Yes.
Yes.
I want to talk about your game tomorrow. You are against Polokwane City.
Yeah, Polokwane City is a very good team.
Yes.
It's from my home. Although we favor Sundowns, but Downs will pass.
No.
It is 2-0.
2-0, remember?
Yes.
2-0.
2-0. Yes.
Why you MTN 8?
Yes, I'm tired of losing from to Pirates.
So are you not gonna lose to Pirates this season?
No. And again, you're not Pirates now. You're Pirates this time.
So what the Pirates?
Actually, you're going to Tammy Abe Mutam. You got Tammy Babawa.
Okay.
I'm telling you this truth. Yes. This is now the time that people will see Sundowns. Yes. I'm telling you. It's the honest. Remember, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Yes. My man, I'm winning the game against Polokwane. You are done beating Sundowns. You are done. You will never.
Pirates Sundowns are going to Pirates are going to be from Sundowns. Telkom, Pirates MTN, your Jerry Bank goes Sundowns. Yes. Rabuera finally Sundowns. 2 cups. Yes. MTN. Yes.
We are going to Pretoria tomorrow. Yes. You will see. Polokwane City will never come back. It's either 3 or 4 goals tomorrow. But you will see.
And then that is semi-final
Ubata Pirates. I don't need Captain City. Pirates.
How much?
They owe us. They are colored. And this is the cup. This is no, but got a cup of Japan. You are done beating Sundowns.
Never.
Yes, it's our chance to benefit. You have been benefiting a lot.
No.
To benefit. Member. Kupa man of the match.
Mtambo.
Linda Mtambo.
Yes.
My brother sebenzisa MTN akere.
No.
Jwang member. How tibe khona le 8 million, share ya 8 million price. Libala ke Vodacom. Member never win is a nix.
Yeah, ish.
Traka SIM card MTN. Dial *144*8#. Recharge a fella 10 Rand every week.
Yes.
You understand? And then you stand a chance to win a share. 8 million in prizes. Thank you, member.